Okay, hi everyone. I am Andir0216 and today I'm gonna teach you how to use my script to detect cheating on LeetCode. So first, I will run through script O1, O2, and O3. You just go to here's the repo after you git clone the repo, and you just turn on your Jupyter notebook. Go to the first script, and you have to put like which context you wanna deal with. For example, like W399 means just a folder name. It really doesn't matter. But here is here is what matters. Just go to like the context you're gonna do with, copy like this part and onto it. And today I'm gonna do with weekly context 399. Just run it and run it. You'll see we have four questions. Q1, Q3, Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4, right? And here you have to pick how many page you're gonna fetch. Like you have to like decide a number. For example, if you want to fetch until like page 250, just type 250. Usually, I just find the end of the all three question users. For example, here. So I'm gonna fetch 285 if I do this. But for the demo purpose, I'm gonna just fetch the top 100 users. So it's page 4, right? So just do it 4. Uh, just run it. Okay. And then I'm gonna download code. Just type which question you wanna do with. For example, if I want to download every code of every Q4 core code of top 100 users and just run it and with it. It's gonna be super slow. Yeah. So if you pick like a huge number, like for example 200, 300, you're gonna take a while. Yeah. But in the meantime, I just take like what was generated by this block. So here is the parameters, create the folders. Here you just like get the question ID. So you just copy and paste until this. Right. So for each context, the number will be different. You're gonna like copy and paste it, and then this block will generate a file called uh, this one. It will record like each user's name and their submission ID. I do this is because sometimes the ranking of the ranking page will change. So just for the book note book, bookkeeping purpose, and let's keep downloading. Okay, I just introduce like so for each context, it will generate a folder like W means weekly and BW means like for example BW means bi-weekly. It will generate a folder. If you click on it, yeah, you'll have Q3 and Q4, which means that every code of Q3 will be in there and 4 is in there. Okay, I think it's almost done. Okay, it's done. So you can see I separate like them by each thousand because I will explain why I did this later. So you can see you have every code on here. Right now the first step is finished. Let's just go to the second step. Right. Second step is you have to run the detection tool. You have to install the copy detect first. Right. So let me just pause here. Okay, now let's run the tool. So you're gonna install the copy detect first. After you install it, you just have to run the script. So let's just go to there. You can see we have some folders. You just go to the folder of each context and run the script. For example, okay. Uh, the time complexity of this code is big O of n squared. So if you have if you have, well, 100 is will be like 10,000. So so if you like fetch, like for example, 200 pages, you're gonna be a lot. So be careful on that. And you can see we have generated some pages. This is C++, I think. Yes, C++. This is Python, and this is Java. You can see, like, at the end of the Java, there's a huge chunk of it. So there must be some copy paste. Yeah, good. This is a good example I used. So let's just now I'm just have to detect like which group of it. So just run the O2 script. First, you're gonna like type in the correct parameters, like week 399, and the correct URL, the language, the upload email. The script will generate several HTML at the folder and see. I just pick which you want to use. And the threshold should I stack to 90 or 85? 95 is good enough. And first, this is for like the record purpose. At first, it will be empty. You run it. This will be empty as well. You run it. It will generate a list. Oh, so usually I copy paste back to it to back up what my finding is. So you can see like this. Here is a one group, and here is another bunch of group. Sometimes it will output some message down there. Cool. I download more code for the demo purpose. Just go through it. So usually, in some case, you can see the number is not 100, which means that there's similarity of it. Both number are above the threshold will be included. So for example, if I set number to 90, uh, this pair will be included, but these won't. Okay, and just run it. You can see it generate a lot of output here. So we group up some of them, but others we might need to manually check. So we can manually check. Let's say, okay, this pair, just copy and paste it, right? So you can find and just read through it. They are almost is the same. So if you think they are the same, just manually add them at here and run it again. Right now you can see like, okay, so 97 is with 113, right? If I set the shadow to maybe 90, it will be more. It will just generate only a few, like um, a few pairs we need to manually check. Okay, so just repeat the process until all of them is gone, and then just copy and paste it. Just for the like, just saving the result because it will be very tedious. And then I usually select the largest group, definitely trading, and paste it below here and run it. Oh. So there are 39 users, and it will generate a mark. It will generate a CSV here to record like their ranking, username, and submission ID, and it will generate a markdown for to post on GitHub as well. And what's more is, let me think. Oh, if you want to like ignore it, if you find somebody is definitely not cheating, you can just type ignore a few numbers. What's happening, right? So if you want to include someone, just do add here, and the rest. It's not super relevant. I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.